Hi and welcome. Today's exercise is based on reading, which will proceed into writing. The topic that I have chosen for reading is an informational text, and the category that is used is will be used for vocabulary building as well as reading, interpretation, and then it will proceed into writing. The topic is how to use Roget's Thesaurus. The reading objective is to interpret the text and use the steps in searching for appropriate words. The first task is to read the text and then interpret it. The second task is a practical task. The students will be given Roget's Thesaurus to find a word, locate the word. Let's proceed to the reading section. How to use Roget's Thesaurus. The students are expected to pause the screen and pause the video and read the passage. Let us move ahead after reading into the task, that is to find a word or synonym of a given word. I'm selecting the word abundant. It's a noun form. The meaning is given and the synonyms are given. At the end, there is something known as concepts. We have just read about it, and a numeral is given 633 and 645. Remember these numbers. I'll take you towards the end of the thesaurus where you will find additional synonyms of the word abundant. Apart from that, antonyms, that means opposite, is given over here. Now let us remember the number 633 and 645, and let's move ahead and find out. We have reached a part of the section of the thesaurus where it says states, and the number that we were looking for was 633. It was behavior and the word abundant, and there are a number of synonyms pertaining to states. Let's explore. The next number that we remembered was 645. If you see the word abundant, it is used again under morality. We have learned to find additional synonyms with specific meaning for a particular word. Usually writers use this thesaurus in order to write with specific idea that they have in their mind, and they find specific words that they want to relate. After reading, let's proceed to writing. The learning objective is to compose a letter for procedure writing. That means we'll be composing a letter for showing the procedure. As we have just read and interpreted and understood how to look for a meaning and synonyms using Roget's Thesaurus. Let's see what is the task. Write a letter to your younger sibling. Younger sibling, most probably I interpret that it's going to be an informal letter, explaining how to use Roget's Thesaurus. Write in about 150 to 200 words. These are the specifications of CBSE for long writing. Invent the necessary details, that means the address, name of the sender, the name of the recipient, all that is to be invented by the students. The marks are allocated for format, that means address of the sender, date with the month spelled out, that for example, if it's a month of May, MAY instead of writing 5 for it. Salutation means dear, name of the person, write the first letter capital. Subscription, that is towards the end, your loving brother or sister. Your name in running letters appearing as your signature. The marks are also for content, that is clear steps to be written out. It should be developing, your vocabulary should be strong, and benefits should be well embedded in your complex sentence. You need not write the benefits separately because the task says to explaining how to use. You are not going to waste words or spend your words in explaining the benefits. If you want to explain the benefits, make sure that 1 or 2 words are built in your complex sentences where you're showing them how to use the thesaurus. Then the words are for fluency. Fluency words are sequence markers, linkers or connectors. For such a writing, you have first or firstly, then next, after which finally. Fluency words or transitional words can be additionally, moreover. Thank you.